Hello viewers, welcome to Node.js tutorial. Today I will show the example of MongoDB document insert into collection. So how we can insert document into MongoDB collection. To insert a record or document as it is called in MongoDB into a collection, use the insert one method. A document in MongoDB is the same as record in MySQL. The first parameter of insert one method is object containing name and value is filled in the document you want to insert. It also take callback function where you can work error and result in insertion. Now I will show the example of document insert into the collection. So at first we need to define the document bar my object as the parenthesis and name and key value is the value company Inc. and here is the address key address, and here is the address hi highway road 200. This is the document. So this document you will insert into collection. dbo dot collection. So our collection name is customers dot insert one is method insert the document. So first parameter is document my object and second parameter is callback function error and the response. If error then throw error, if no then console.log document created or insert successfully in customer collection, then close the db dot close. So here is the document and here is the collection and the document. This document we will insert into customer collection. So now we will run the project and see the output. Node index.js. So as the showing document create insert successfully in customer collection. Now we will see the our collection into MongoDB Compass UI. So here is showing the document one as the customer. In customer collection one document insert successfully. Here is the ID, this is the document ID and this is the auto generated object ID and this is the name we have insert company Inc. and this is the address and highway road 200 and this object insert successfully in MongoDB customer collection. Thank you.